Hey everyone, welcome to Rolling with BJ in the Kitchen. Tonight we are doing garlic butter shrimp, and all we're using is shrimp, butter, garlic, and parsley flakes. If you want to know how I do this, keep watching. We're going to warm up 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan, and then we're going to, when it get hot, we're going to put the garlic in there and saute it, and then we're going to add those shrimp. So we're going over to the stove. Okay, I got the butter on medium heat, and I'm just letting it melt. And I chopped 5 cloves of garlic, and we're going to add those shortly. Okay, so we just want to put these garlic in here like that. And you want to keep stirring, don't let it burn. In a couple of seconds, you want to add your shrimp. Let your garlic cook down a little. But make sure it don't burn. Okay. So now it's time to add the shrimp. And we're going to put these off in here. Okay, add your shrimp in there. And just coat them all. This smells so good. Okay, so just coat the shrimp with the garlic and butter. Keep stirring, make sure your garlic do not burn. Okay, now you just want to spread them all out in the pan and let them all cook evenly. Okay, I'm going to just leave them like this for about 2 minutes without disturbing them. Just make sure they're all laid out in the pan. Keep your fire on medium heat. See the color changing? Okay, so this is a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're just going to sprinkle that on top of them. I'm not going to use all this. I'm going to taste them first. Okay, and here's our dried parsley flakes. This is a teaspoonful. Okay, now we just want to start mixing them around again. Just stir them around in there. And then you lay them out again. Make sure they all laid out so all of them can catch some heat. This meal is very quick and simple. Don't take long at all. Okay, I'm going to leave them and let them sit for another 2 minutes. Okay, so before you take them out, let's check to see if we need any more seasoning on them. We'll just take a piece of one. Okay, so we can go on and put the rest of this garlic powder in there. Cut your fire off and just stir them around. And that's all it is to this. So we're going to plate these and give them a name. Okay. Alrighty, so I'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is done. And here we are. Okay, so we got to come up with a name for this. I'll be right back. We're going to name this BJ's garlic butter shrimp. I couldn't think of nothing better than that. So that's what this is going to be. Thanks for joining me on this quick recipe, and I will see you back here in the kitchen next time. Until then, subscribe, share, like, and be blessed.